Oh. Tell them for what's that? When is that? When did you
Hi, this is a Rock'em Sock'em robot. We're gonna open it. And it also says game. So it's a game. And
Is that your Christmas gift?
yeah.
That's my baby boy. Oh, wow.
Wait, there's something on this one. Oh, this is just a part of the back. Oh.
Yeah,
It
okay,
was-
okay,
that
it's a,
was
it's a,
inside.
it's a box. Here. Go in the floor now so that you can stand at work. Is that like wrestling?
Yeah. No, it's boxing. We gotta build this first. One of those. Nice.
Honey, there's a squander. Here.
I don't wanna know how to play.
Here, open this one.
The robot platform.
Yeah,
Okay there.
yeah.
Is this how to do it?
I love that sounds.
How do you do this?
Okay, let mommy do it. Let mommy help. Come on, hey.
Oh, a hit. Oh, no, I didn't. Yeah, you're supposed to put those on somehow. Remember, Henry and George had one of the talking robots.
I'm not sure this is like this. Are you sure?
I don't know. Okay, I tried to find out how to play.
No, honey. This is wrong. Honey, this is like this, like this. Oh.
Oh no, you're supposed to make these.
No, just put like that. Just put like that, no. Look,
Yeah.
Hoy. Look,
No, it's the wrong way.
Hoy. There, just leave like that.
Then how do I make these stay? The Rock'em Sock'em robots are on it. That's maybe one. No, this was the only one.
Just put it there. Put it there. There.
Oh. There.
Mm-hmm.
Move, moving.
Mm-hmm. Put it on the floor.
What are these?
The ring.
What are these? Oh. Okay.
You need mommy help? Come on.
Okay, this is just so confusing.
Here.
Hey, I'm gonna punch your face.
Hoy. Joshua.
Oh, thanks.
Welcome, honey. It's a ring.
This one is here. Wait, what the?
Yeah, it's a four corner.
I'm trying to find out which one is the next one. Oh,
Hold on, mommy. Help mommy.
here, this one. This one. No, that's a different one. Oh,
Hold on. I need to do this. There you go.
now.
Mm.
That just. Oh my. How is this gonna be possible?
Is it is?
Wait. Okay. I'll just hold this down. Wait, I'll
Okay,
hold this one
bye-bye.
down.